Hi, I'm going to show a couple more features and functionality that we have added since our last sprint into our community pages in Salesforce. So here we are at our community page. When we look at weekly donations, we have a fully functioning table of all the records. And we can create new records here. Now, a couple things which were requested, some acceptance criteria that we have met successfully. One was the date being auto set to today's date, which it is, which is November 12th. Also, we have a lookup field here for donors, and we have a validation rule in place which, if other donor is selected, it won't let you create the record until this other donor box has been filled. Then it successfully creates the record. Similarly in place for weekly distribution, we also have the auto set to the default date, which is today's date. And we also have the other functionality. You can see the validation rule is effective. And the record gets successfully created. Additionally, we've allowed our community page to be set up in a way in which, as you can see, I don't have to be logged in to use it. This should be more usable for the CKUGA volunteers when they're trying to access the site. Therefore, I believe we have successfully met the acceptance criteria with our community page. Thank you.